Okay, so in this video we're going to quickly take a look at how we can add lip movement to the avatar. Well, the first step is that you select an avatar in iClone, and then on the right side panel, in here choose animation, and then on the facial part you can choose create a script, and here there's a list, and you choose the last option, which is oculars, and from the top you can choose open audio file and open your audio file. So here you should paste the script which is inside the audio. You can either choose generate text and it actually generates the script based on the audio, or if you have the script you can just copy and paste it here. So I paste the script inside this box and then just hit align to align the script to the audio. So we just wait to the alignment to be finished. Okay, after the alignment finish, we actually select apply. Okay, and then if you press F3, here is the timeline bar, and if you play the animation,
Each leaf holds a story, a message passed down through generations. Feel free to choose any of them. I will tell you the story.
okay, you can see that the lip is moving based on the audio, and there are various customizations you can do with the Oculip. One of them is that if you here right click on the voice and select the options, there are a couple of options that you can choose. For example, here you can select smooth, and there are different levels, and if you increase it to the maximum and then apply, okay, and then play it one more time,
Generations. Feel free to choose any of them.
you can see that the lip is moving more smoothly. Or if you want to add more strings to the lip movement, you can choose clip strings and add it right here. Or even you can add strings to a smooth to each part of the lip. For example, lips, tongue, jaw, or different parts.